Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Recently, we have reported regarding the strategic partnership between India and France to develop new 110 kilonewton class engine to power India's 5th generation fighter jet MCA. We are also working on a detailed video on Safran's engine options for MCA. Now there is another update coming related to the engine of IMRH, which is going to be twin engine, multi-role, multi-mission 13-ton weight class of medium lift helicopter. It is being designed to replace the Mi-17 helicopters of Indian Air Force and will be better in many aspects than Mi-17 V5, which is the latest version. You also might be aware of the ill-fated accident in which we lost our CDS. It was also an Mi-17 V5 helicopter, the latest version in Mi-17 series. Before discussing further, we would like to clarify that the helicopter engine and MCA engine deal are separate. Safran will tie up with consortium of GTRE and private players for MCA engine. However, for IMRH engine, Safran will tie up with HAL. It is not the first time that HAL and Safran will be collaborating for the development of a helicopter engine. As you might be aware that HAL's Dhruv and light combat helicopter is powered by Adiden 1H1 Shakti, which was co-developed with HAL and obtained EASA certification in 2009. This engine can generate power between 1400 to 2000 shp. HAL is also working on indigenous development of new engine HTSE 1200 or Hindustan Turboshaft engine. This engine will be able to generate power of 1600 SP and will find applications in HAL's Dhruv, Rudra, LCH and LUH. However, the medium lift helicopters like IMRH will need more power, somewhere in range of 2200 plus shp. The engine developed of this class can be further used to power heavy combat helicopters like that of Boeing's Apache. So you can understand how important these engines are going to be in the development of medium lift rotorcrafts for Indian Armed Forces. Whenever we talk about the collaborative development of engine, the obvious question is around transfer of technology and intellectual property rights. These answers are not clear at the moment. It's all in grey. However, what is confirmed is that the new helicopter engine development will also be under strategic partnership route, which will involve transfer of technology to HAL for its manufacturing. The design of IMRH for Army and Air Force is planned to be frozen by 2021, but yet there is no official confirmation on that. The naval variant is going to be bigger than that of Army and Air Force, and hence its design is expected to be frozen by 2022. The structural test of the unarmed version of IMRH is planned to be conducted in 2023, followed by its first flight in 2024. The armed version of IMRH will undergo structural testing by 2025. HAL has planned to produce 3 to 4 flying prototypes. The new helicopter is expected to enter into production by 2029. As we all know that the engine development does take time, close to 10 years including development, trials and certification. It is impossible to use the new engine developed by HAL and Safran joint venture to power IMRH. HAL might use General Electric's T700 GE410C turboshaft engine, which is also used in MH-60 Romeo helicopter. The later version of IMRH may get the HAL and Safran's engine if the development fructifies.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comments section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.